Okay, so it loaded, try to start a game, something went wrong. All right, so what you can do is go back to the emulator, manage emulators, RetroArch, but I'm going to change that name. It's too hard to remember. So I'm going to call it Neo Geo. All right. It had the extract ROM arcades before running on, and it's got all these. You can't have everything checked. Big no-no. Wish there was a quicker way to do that. I'm sure there is. Let's see. No, there isn't, because you can't select the whole. Oh, yes there is. Okay. Learn something every day. So we're going to Neo Geo, which is going to be SNK. AES. Now here's the thing. This is the libretto file, so right now it's set to like a common like main driver, right? So the one that works for this is FBA Alpha 2012 Labitra. No, my bad. It's a Neo Geo, FBA 2012 Neo Geo Labitra. That's the right one. I think that's all we should have to change. Oh, hold on. Seem like they all got to kind of be on the same page to make them all go off at a time, one page at a time. So, all right. Oops. Oopsie. Okay, so you got none. Dog it. I feel like they're just coming back. I'm going to stop that. Okay, got rid of all those check boxes. So now we are, like I said, Neo Geo right here under the SNK Neo Geo AES. Now it's important to point out you can make your own names. You don't have to follow this one. The only thing you need to remember is that when you do create a associated platform, that it's linked to, for this example, Neo Geo, right? Okay. Oh, and we're going to make that the default emulator. Okay, so let's close it. Now let's see if it works. We got a winner.